Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I got a pretty exciting video for you guys. I want to talk to you guys all about this market. As you guys know, we're having a little dippage right now. I want to look at all of the charts so we can put it all together and we can get a little bit more of a sense of what's going here with these charts. I want to talk to you guys also about two coins that I am holding on and banking on and hoping that they continue to do well, because they have been doing pretty well so far. I've talked about these coins on this channel before, but people don't seem as interested in these coins as they're interested in some of the other coins. So I just want to talk about them a little more and maybe give you guys a little bit more of a sense of why I'm so bullish on them. So if you're excited about that, like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, check out the website everythingcurrencycrypto.com. I got about, I think, 15 more spaces for the Telegram group. If you want to get inside the group, then you can sign up for the Patreon. Just go ahead and send me an email through my email list. Now, if you're already in the group, then you don't have to pay. I had some people who actually didn't know that it was the same Telegram group. It is the group that we've all been using, the group that we all know and love. This is just to keep the scammers out and to get some new people in there. So if you want to do that, then go ahead and hit me up. But first things first, Bitcoin right now is at 5,600. You see the trade slowing down. We're less than 150, 200. We're at like 250 when everything is like super bullish. But coming to the total chart, we'll start here. Now, this is the chart of Bitcoin and all the altcoins, and we've been watching this thing for a minute. I drew a fib retracement on here, and you can see that we reached the $2 trillion mark, and then we've been having a retracement so far. So far that's our high, our short-term high for the market right now is about $2 trillion. Now this is everything put together. Now we got to go into Bitcoin. Let's break it apart. This is what Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin is dipping, it's retracing a little bit, and it's still kind of following this projection, but we'll see if it holds up. Cool thing that I see is that we are staying above the 34, and the 34 has been showing it has been some good support for a pretty long time in this market. Now, after looking at Bitcoin, I got to look at what the altcoins are doing. Now, altcoins are also retracing. So someone said, yo, Bitcoin dominance is actually going up, but why is Bitcoin dropping? Well, because the overall market's dropping. Bitcoin dominance is just showing you the relationship between the two. Now, Bitcoin dominance is still working its way down, well below the 34, well below the last support that it had, and the flipping is actually only 7% off at this point. So altcoins have been doing amazing since January. You know, as I'm sure if you've been holding since January, you've been seeing some cool gains in a bunch of coins, and it's been dipping and it's still going down. That's still exciting. I'm looking at this total too and seeing that, yeah, we're having we're having some resistance right here at the, let's say, 879 billion mark. So I'll put that in there as the next line that we need to cross for us to go ahead and continue. This still looks okay to me. It looks like we can have a little retracement, hopefully maybe retest the 34, but you can see this little bit of money right here is pretty devastating for our altcoin holdings. So it might become a time right now where you want to think about taking profit as money moves around this market. If you're getting amazing gains and you made, 5-10x, then go ahead and take yourself some profit and then take that money and treat your new investments like new investments. Hey, I won, let me start over. That's what we got to do. If you're not really sure how to do that, you don't really know how to read charts, then it's probably just best to hold through it. It looks like as long as we're above the 34 on these charts, we are looking pretty okay. Next thing I want to talk about is the fear and greed index. Now, I stopped talking about this for a while, but it seems to be coming back into play a little bit as we get more people who go based on fundamental analysis. More people, when they go based on charts, they don't really care about fear and greed. They just go based on the charts. But when people are only in it for the fundamentals, then yeah, they look at this, then the fear and the greed actually makes more sense to pay attention to. Right now, we're in a greed stage, so maybe we can come down a little bit more. We've been in a greed stage for a pretty long time. The lowest that we came down to recently was 54, so maybe we can come down a little bit, and that would coincide with this price, you know, retracing a little bit more, retracing about another $10 billion, which, you know, that hurts altcoin pockets. On February 24th of this year, I made a video talking about exchange coins are going to be looking like good plays, and we had Bitmax token. That's what I talked about, and I talked about that one at around 71 cents, and since then it has, you know, almost doubled in price, still looking pretty good, having a nice little retracement like everything else in the market. But as more people get into crypto, I'm telling y'all, as more people get into crypto, they need to buy coins. So it's only that these projects are going to do good because they work with the exchanges and they save people on fees and they make people passive income and stuff like that. So I talked about Bitmax, and I also talked about Kucoin, which has been killing it on my Instagram. I talked about Kucoin. Follow me on Instagram. If you do the Instagram thing, Everything Currency, follow me on Twitter. If you do the Twitter thing, Everything Currency. But yeah, I talked about Kucoin at around 542, and right now it is at $10.90, so about double since then. And I'm really excited about Kucoin because I believe it is not even close to the all-time high of around, you know, I think it was around 20 bucks. So right now it's still got another 50% to go to reach its all-time high, and it might go even higher than that if it follows what BNB is doing. Now, everybody says Binance first, Kucoin second, so I'm thinking Kucoin should probably start following what Binance is doing. Now, this is not financial advice. What you do with your funds, that's on you. That's your responsibility. I'm just bringing you the information so you can use it. Yeah, and hodl on. So, coin that I'm really excited about. The reason why I'm making this video is to talk about this coin in particular, and that is Antonio. Niox. So I had a couple people in the Telegram group say, yo, like, why do you like this coin so much? Besides the fact that it is a low market cap. Okay, well, let me talk about it a little bit more. So I talked to you guys about the website a couple times, democratizing trading, crowdsource liquidity, blah, 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 blah. And you guys seen a bunch of projects trying to do the same thing. I talked about the decentralized exchange, the Smart Dex, which is now live. So Smart Dex is live. They have liquidity mining going on over there. You can make some pretty dope gains with the liquidity mining on the Smart Dex if you're into that type of stuff with this token. So that is live. Came live last week. So really excited about that. That's probably why we've seen the price go from, let's see, around 23 cents to around 44 cents. So about double in the price. The market cap right now, $30 million. So they're doing that. Also going through their blog, you can see they partnered with some cool companies, Aloha DeFi, Confluence, Chainlink. They started using Chainlink on their network. Not exactly a partner, just using them. But one of the things that I'm excited about for this project, if you want to come in here and dive into this, also they're partnering with Tomorrow Chain and Matic. They just launched on top of the Polygon network, so that's cool. And they're also partnered with Singularity.net. So coming over to their Twitter, they posted this Antonio announcements, this channel this week. It looks like a flood of announcements are coming. Pretty dope. We had a Singularity.net say our partners Antonio are doing some cool things to help get the Singularity Net AGI token out there more. So they're helping AGI and things like that. Now AGI has a nice size market cap compared to Antonio, so you know that's pretty cool. The most exciting thing that I think people might want to know about this project is this: Antonio AI ecosystem partners confirmed to integrate the NIOTX tools are CRO, which has a $5 billion market cap. We got Matic, which has a $1.8 billion market cap. We got EGLD with a $3 billion market cap. AGI, $4 million. Tomorrow, $223 million. Loopring, or LRC, is that Loopring? I'm not sure. 600 million, and CFX, I don't even know what that is, 900 million, and not officially confirmed but likely ADA with 39 billion. That's a lot of exposure coming to NIOTX with a $32 million market cap. You run the numbers, my friend. And you know, you got Evil Superman from I forgot what the show's called, telling you opportunity. Okay, opportunity. So be smart with your investments. You know what I'm saying? Right now it seems like diamond hands are the winners and the paper hands are losing. So yeah, we're in that phase right now where it's buy the dip, have them diamond hands. These charts are still telling us that we're okay for now. We're not going to try to predict the future. We're just going to take what we get and run with it, and we can be cool with that. We'll make a lot of money that way. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.